Right now, the world currently facing various of environmental problems. One of them is all about this one thing: plastic. Millions kilograms of plastic waste are thrown away without being decomposed every single day, makes it an unworthy treasure to save. Follow me and let's make a change. We can start by using a tote bag and this eco-friendly equipment.
Hello everyone, my name is Bintang Alicia, and in this brief video, I would like to show you guys how to decrease the impact of climate change. Now, before we get into it, first of all, what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. Since the 1980s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. Now, what you can do to decrease the impact of climate change is one of them, energy saving. Most of the energy that we use in our daily life is generated using conventional energy resources. To preserve these non-renewable resources, we should save energy. Reducing your energy usage reduces the demand for fossil fuels and, in turn, lower the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So energy saving will help decreasing the impact of climate change a lot. To be exact, there are several ways to save the energy. Number 1, if there is sufficient ventilation at home, then switch off the fans and do not use air conditions. 2, switch off the lights at daytime and use lights only wherever required. And 3, make use of energy efficient lightning bulbs. 4, use solar sources for energy. And lastly, 5, don't forget to use energy efficient appliances. I hope this can educate you well, and together we can save the energy and to decrease the impact of climate change together to save our Earth.
Alright, so first thing first, what is global warming? Global warming is the phenomenon where we emit so much dang waste that the ozone layer got holes in it and thus letting the sun's heat get in and basically cooking our planet. So, I'm sure you want to stop or at least help to lessen the impact of global warming. Who am I kidding? No one's gonna watch this video. Alright, so first thing first is to reduce electricity usage. Why? Because what? You think electricity come from Daddy Zeus? Nah, it got produced by coal, and coal equals smoke, and smoke equals holes in the ozone layer. Second are the RRRs. And no, that's not me trying to be a pirate. The RRR stands for Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. We got reduce is the easy part. We've been talking about it. Reuse is simple. Hell, all this is understandable even for a toddler. So we simply need to use things less, and then we use something that we don't need until it becomes paperweight. And then recycle. Basically playing Legos actually. Now, now, how did I get my picture? Alright, so we got a bunch of trash here. It's simple really, just don't dump plastic and other non-organic stuff without care. But who knows, one of the trash could be your hard disk containing a ton of Bitcoin, so yeah, look for it. Alright, so that's all from yours truly. This has been Joseph, signing out.
Hello, my name is Catherine. So today I want to ask, why do we need to save energy? Let's talk about it. Energy is something that humans need in order to do work. The use of energy in everyday life causes an increase in the demand for energy supplies, which are mostly produced from fossil fuels. The use of these fuels causing global warming, which result in climate change. When burned, carbon dioxide is released into the air and traps heat in the atmosphere, causing global warming. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, which is a gas that absorbs and emits heat. As a result, the temperature on Earth is unstable, so it is called the greenhouse effect. One simple thing we can do is to unplug the electricity we don't use. Very easy, right? So small things like this can help our Earth to save. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.
This, and this. Have you ever wondered why these things can happen? Yes, I have the answer. It's climate change. I'm Fifi and I'm going to talk all about climate change. First of all, what is climate change? Climate change is generally defined as a significant variations of average weather conditions. For example, conditions become warmer, wetter, or drier over several decades or more. And this is the reason why we should pay attention to this issue. According to a report from the BBC, scientists believe that large cities located in the middle latitudes, such as Beijing, Tokyo, and New York, in the future could be affected by hurricanes and cyclones. Yes, global warming causing climate change allows storms to form in the area. This study has been published in the Nature Geoscience journal with the title Poleward Expansion of Tropical Cyclones Latitudes in Warming Climates. Based on the research, by the end of the 21st century, it is likely that storms will form over a wider range of areas. It's still a prediction. For example, now there is news showing lots of floods, glaciers that are melting, storms, drought, and hunger. Can you imagine if this climate change occurs continuously, what will possibly happen in the next 5 years, or even in the next 10 years? Oh my, the weather is very hot these days. I'm going to turn on the air conditioner. Stop! This is the worst cause of climate change that we usually do. Did you know that chlorofluorocarbon gas produced by air conditioner can create bad conditions for the greenhouse effect 10,000 times worse than carbon dioxide? And this could make the climate change even worse. So I'll give you the solution for that. Handheld fan. Besides this solution, there are so many simple solutions we can use to solve climate change, such as turning off the lights in the morning, using eco-friendly stuff, doing 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We don't want to see our Earth damaged, do we? If not us, who? If not now, when? So with our small steps together, let's save the Earth. Just like what Lawrence Overmeyer said, because we are the last generation with a real opportunity to save the world. Thank you.